Renault Espace from 2010, and the wiper is broken. A piece was broken from there. I have to glue it back. The arm is still usable. It's not touching it, but I have to replace this end. So this looks like so. You have to push it in from there. Okay, and here's the wiper. It's 325 millimeters in length. It's a metal construction. You have to remove this plastic. That's it, just pull it out. It enters in one of those places, and it has only this shaft in the middle. Remove this protection. And just push this shaft in there. And that's it. It's in contact. The end is not exactly in contact. The original model was a bit different. It wasn't like this. The length 1, 2, so 1 and 2, so it reaches around here. So done by a larger one. There are larger ones also. I'm not sure, 350 maybe millimeters, but that might go up. Inches, 325 millimeters. That's the length. These are different methods to mount the wiper. This does not have that U shape. The U shape should be somewhere here, but this is different.